Yes. Hello everyone. Good evening. My name is Tanuja, and today's activity is storytelling, dancing. So everyone like stories and get to learn from the story. So I hope you enjoy this activity. So our first participant is Dhanashri Nikalje. She is going to tell a story.
नमस्कार, माझे नाव धनश्री निकाळजे. आज मी तुम्हाला एक गोष्ट सांगणार आहे. गोष्टीचे नाव आहे आईच्या प्रेमाची किंमत. तर सुरेश एकदा शाळेत जमा खर्च आणि हिशोब शिकून घरी येतो. घरी येताना तो जरा विचारातच असतो. तो घरी येतो, झोपताना तो कागदावर काहीतरी लिहितो आणि आईच्या उशाशी ठेवतो. नंतर आई त्या कागदाजवळ जाते. ती वाचते. बाजारातून आई, तुला बाजारातून तेल आणून दिलं, ₹3. घरातील थोडी साफसफाई केली, ₹5. तू नसताना चिंगीला सांभाळलं, ₹7. झोपायच्या आधी बिछाना आवरला, ₹5. एकूण ₹20. हे सगळं आई वाचते आणि हसते. नंतर तीही कागदावर काहीतरी लिहिते. सकाळी सुरेश उठतो आणि कागद वाचतो. कागदावर आईने लिहिलेले असते, सुरेश, तुला 9 महिने पोटात वाढवले, ₹0. अतिशय यातना सोसून तुला जन्म दिला, ₹0. नंतर तुझे पालन पोषण केले, ₹0. तुला शाळेत टाकले, ₹0. तुझ्या प्रगतीसाठी सतत झटत राहिले, ₹0. एकूण फक्त आणि फक्त सुरेशचे प्रेम. सुरेश तो कागद वाचून गहिवरतो आणि जाऊन आईला घट्ट मिठी मारतो. बोलायचे तर काही नसतेच, पण सर्व काही त्याचे डोळेच बोलत असतात. यातून असा बोध होतो की आईच्या प्रेमाची किंमत कधीच होऊ शकत नाही. धन्यवाद.
Very nice, Dhanashri. Then our next participant.
तू घे नेक्स्ट नेम, मी उद्या करेल अँकरिंग. तू घे.
Okay. So our next participant is Shrija Karshetty. She is tell a story.
Good afternoon. My name is Shriya Sangameshwar Karshetty. Today I am telling a story. Story's name is चतुर बिरबल. मग सुरू करूया. एकदा बादशहाने विचारले, बिरबल, कृष्ण हा गोकुळातल्या पाटलाचा
Shrija.
You are muted, Shrija.
Yes.
माझ्या गोष्टीचे नाव आहे चतुर बिरबल. ठीक आहे, मग सुरू करूया. एकदा बादशहाने विचारले, बिरबल, कृष्ण हा गोकुळातल्या पाटलाचा मुलगा, तसेच त्याचा एकुलता एक लाडका असताही तो गुंजांच्या माळा का घालीत होता. सर्व धातूंमध्ये सुवर्ण हे श्रेष्ठ आहे, तरी ते जोखतेवेळी गुंज वापरतात, म्हणून कृष्ण गुंजांच्या माळा आवडीने घालीत होता, असे बिरबलाने उत्तर दिले. थँक्यू.
Very good story. I like Akbar and Birbal stories. So our next participant is me. So once again, hello friends, my name is Tanuja. Today I am going to tell a story in Marathi. तर स्वामी विवेकानंद तुम्हा सगळ्यांनाच माहित असतील. स्वामी विवेकानंद खूप हुशार होते. त्यांना ते एका दिवशी एक ग्रंथ वाचत असेल, तर त्यांचा हा एक किस्सा आहे. तर ते असेच एकदा परदेशी गेले होते आणि तिथे एका परदेशी व्यक्तीने त्यांना विचारले, त्यांना बोलले हॅलो. तर स्वामीजी बोलले नमस्ते. आणि मग त्या व्यक्तीने विचार केला, बहुतेक स्वामीजींना इंग्लिश येत नाही. मग तेव्हा त्यांनी स्वामीजींना विचारले, कैसे हो स्वामीजी. तेव्हा स्वामीजींनी उत्तर दिले, आय एम फाईन. तर त्यांना जो परदेशी व्यक्ती होता त्याला राहावलं नाही आणि त्यांनी लगेच स्वामीजींना विचारलं की ना स्वामीजी, जेव्हा मी तुम्हाला इंग्लिश मधून बोललो तेव्हा तुम्ही मला हिंदी मधून उत्तर दिले, आणि जेव्हा मी तुम्हाला हिंदी मधून बोललो तेव्हा तुम्ही मला इंग्लिश मधून सांगितले. तर स्वामीजी म्हणाले की स्वामीजी म्हणाले, जेव्हा तू तुझ्या मातृभाषेचा आदर केलास तेव्हा मी माझ्या मातृभाषेचा आदर केला, आणि जेव्हा तू माझ्या मातृभाषेचा आदर केला तेव्हा मी तुझ्या मातृभाषेचा आदर केला. तर या कथेतून आपल्याला अशी शिकवण मिळते की आपल्याला कितीही भाषा येत असतील, हिंदी, इंग्लिश, स्पॅनिश, किती फ्रेंच, तरी आपण आपल्या मातृभाषेला विसरायला नाही पाहिजे, त्याचा आपण आदर ठेवला पाहिजे. थँक्यू.
Very nice, Tanuja Didi.
Thank you. So our next participant is Om Kalshetty. He's tell a story.
Hello, my name is Om Kalshetty. Today activity is Hello, my name is Om Kalshetty. Today activity is storytelling. माझ्या गोष्टीचे नाव आहे मोरया गोसावी. चिंचवडचे चिंतामणी देव गोसावी यांच्या पुढे एकदा सुभेदाराने टवाळखोरांच्या सांगण्यावरून होते गोमांसाचे पातेले आणून ठेवले, त्यावर वस्त्र झाकलेले होते. यात काय आहे असे सुभेदाराने विचारले. चिंतामण देवानी गुलाबाची फुले आहेत असे सांगितले. तेव्हा सुभेदाराने रागाने पातेल्यावर रुमाल काढून टाकला. तोच त्याला गुलाबाची फुले दिसली. त्यावर तो त्यांना शरण आला. तात्पर्य, नम्रते ताट नम्रते पुढे ताठरपणाचे काहीच चालत नाही. थँक्यू.
Very nice. Very nice moral of the story. So our next participant is Samruddhi Kate. She is also going to tell a story.
Hello friends, and my name is Samruti Kate, and today I am going to tell you value education story. So let's start. Self-discipline, a lesson well learned. Dhani Ram was a rich farmer in Ahmednagar. He grew sugarcane, groundnuts, and wheat in his fields. Through sheer hard work and dedication, Dhani Ram had become one of the richest farmers in Ahmednagar. He did his for the progress of his village by providing employment to many people and giving them work on his farms. However, he did not tolerate laziness and was a taskmaster. Agricultural work depends greatly on weather. Seeds have to be sown in time. Crops need to be tended regularly. The cattle have to be grazed, cows have to be milked, and ready crops need to be harvested in time. Although Dhaniram's fields were full with crops and sheds were packed with cows and buffaloes, he was never worried about his upkeep. His workers were as punctual as the sunrise. Come rain or storm, they would never miss a day's work. Dhaniram too loved all of them like a father and took care of them well. Dhaniram's son Mahesh, who studied in Mumbai, had just returned having finished his course in farming technology. He was thrilled at seeing the lush green fields with crops swaying to the gentle breeze. The stacks of ripe crops made him wonder how rich his father must be. He started dreaming about taking over the farms and getting rich too. Mahesh told his father, Dad, I want to start living here. I am not going back. Dhani Ram was wise man and realized that this was because his son saw the end result and not the humble beginnings, hard work and labor that had gone into it. So, however, he welcomed Mahesh with open arms. He took him to the farthest farm patch, which was a sugarcane field. The crops had just been cut and this thrilled Mahesh to bits. Dhani Ram said, Son, although I'm giving you this farm to work as you want to, I would suggest you work on my farm with my workers to learn the trade. Mahesh said, Oh no, father. I have studied farming technology in Mumbai. You don't worry, I will handle everything. The next few days went off celebrating since he was the owner of rich patch of land. He soon appointed a manager and 3 farmers to till and plough the land. For the first few days, he would go to the farm regularly to make sure everything was done properly. But then he started going only every day. Later, it became 1 week and a few months. Even that stopped. Then the manager started stealing money from the cash box, and the farmers started picking up things from the storehouse. The money that Mahesh had soon got over, and he had no money to pay his people. The fertile land, which reaped huge profits for Dhani Ram, turned into a barren patch due to lack of proper manure and watering. The local cooperative would, which has which had lent Mahesh money for the farm, took over the farm and threw him out of there. The son of such a rich farmer was homeless and penniless. His own people did not even turn up to ask if he needed anything. A harassed and hungry Mahesh went to his father's house. One could hardly recognize him in that state. Father, the local cooperative bank has taken over my farm. I have no money to pay them. I don't know what to do. Dhani Ram looked at him and said, My dear farming technology graduate, looks like you have not learned well the lesson in farming, which is punctuality and self discipline. Without it, all your intelligence and business sense is useless. Your people cheated you because you were not bothered about your own farm. You were interested only in money. You showed no self discipline that is required to earn that money. Mahesh threw himself at the father's feet and repented for his mistakes. Father, I will join your farms from tomorrow as a farmer. I will use this lesson for self discipline as a ladder to reach success. I now know that time will value me only when I value it. The young man proved that a lesson well learned is well worth it. He turned the barren patch back into a lush green farm with sweet sugarcane. Success never tasted so sweet. Thank you.
Very nice, Samruddhi. Very motivational story. Very nice. So our next participant is Saili Shraddha. They are both going to do a dance. Saili Shraddha. Very nice performance. Very nice. Very nice performance, Saili Shraddha. Very nice. And your ghagras are very nice. So now all participants are over. So all participants put on camera. Participants are over. Put on all participants. Put on camera all participants. So all participants very nice and very nice dance.
Bye everyone.
Bye all of you.
Bye everyone.
Bye everyone.
Bye.